Now let's talk about the presentations. So if you use PowerPoint and if you frequently use tools like PowerPoint to create presentations, even for your company, or if you want to present in your school, college or something like, then this video is for you. So what we are going to do is we are going to discover 4 different methods, or I would say 4 different ways you can generate presentation with AI. So first is our beloved ChatGPT. So with the chatbot, you can actually create a PowerPoint presentation. All you need is a brainstorming or customize the way you want it to generate. Okay. So first is the simple way is to let ChatGPT create the presentation ideas and everything. So for that part, we have a 5 PowerPoint maker prompts here, which is PPT script maker. So first it will do this PPT script maker. And for this, you can download the prompt in the description box. Only 2 you will get. The third you won't get. You will get after supporting us to downloading these prompts. Okay. So first is script maker. So for this, all you need to do is copy this and just paste that here. Now you need to edit something out there. For example, here you need to edit about the presentation topic. For example, if you're going to present on university or college about future of AI, right? And you can easily create that with the help of this and just copy this particular tone, and there you go, and change the tone the way you want. For example, professional tone or something like that, and number of slides. So how many number of slides you want? For example, you want the 10 number of slides, and you want this particular topic to include everything about the past and the future and how it is going to be. So the future of AI is actually about something which is the updated topic right until now, and for this you need to enable the search, because it will get everything information from the search about the future of AI. And to get that, you need to include a prompt here. For example, you need to delete this background information, get the background information from search about the topic. This way you don't need to do search editing about your topic. You just need to type this particular topic name and it will generate that for you. And you can also enable the deep search, because if you have a complex topic, you can go ahead and select that deep search and it will generate topic with deeply searched from here. Okay. And there's a number of slides. You don't need to add anything at all from this because you have already done this. So next, just click on it. So what it will do is it will search the web for your topic and it will create a PPT maker here. And now there's a slide 1, 2, 3, and the list goes on. And after that, what you need to do is, if you use PowerPoint, you know they have a VBA maker. Okay. And VBA, I don't think it is available with the Mac, and I don't use the PowerPoint, but for the PowerPoint users, I have a way to transform these information. Just go ahead and edit anything you want here. For example, you can simply edit any part of your script just clicking on this edit Canva button. And after you edit that, you can skip. For example, so there is a suggestion, something like that. And if you don't want this particular thing to be the way it is, for example, you want to change something about it, slide 3, you can simply ask in the ChatGPT, rewrite the slide 3, 4, or whatever you want. So it will start editing accordingly. So you can easily do that with the help of this particular option. Okay. And as you can see here, everything will be the same, only the slide 4, which I have mentioned there accidentally anyway. So it will rewrite that part, as you can see. So before it was something else and now it was something this. And there is an option as well. So there is an option to get detailed insights on any topic. So if you click on it, just search about any topic and it will generate that for you to get your copy verified. So that's it. And then you can just close your Canva, and then this is the magical part. So if you use a PowerPoint, you can just type this command, create VBA code for PowerPoint based on above script. That's it. So what it will do is it will take all the information from the above and create a VBA code. All you need to do is go to your PowerPoint and enter this particular VBA code, and it will automatically create all the slides for you. All you need to do is just replace your images or something like that. And this is not it. There are 5 different prompts you can use. For example, with images as well. With AI image, we will generate it with the help of DALL-E, and you can use that as well, giving you background information. So this way you can use ChatGPT or any chatbot, I would say, to create a PowerPoint presentation. So this is the first part here. And second tool is which is recently launched in the product, which is I think you need to go ahead and try this out because it's available for free for now and you can easily go ahead and leverage this. The app name is snapdeck.app. All you need to do is just type your slide content. For example, if you don't have any information, if you want the specific information, you just need to copy that and paste that here. Here it says the presentation about the future of AI, and then you need to type the number of slides here. So I suggest you to go with the 10 because it's very standard and because it it will be very descriptive as well. And there is a button on generate slide, but don't press that button, I'm telling you, because there is an edit, and this way you can edit the style of your presentation. For example, the first slide will be obviously about any topic about and the heading of your slide. The second slide will be item 1, item 2, item 2. So this way you can structure your slide. And for example, if you want an image here, you can easily integrate your image just using your image URL here. Just click on that and enter this slide 2, slide 3, and there is third slide here which can also help you to add image or code. For example, for the code you need to add that here. So this way you can optimize every slides for you and let the AI generate that for you. Okay, so if you don't want that, if you want just create that from the scratch, just click on the generate slide. So it will start generating slide. Just wait for the output here, and there you go. So it will provide you everything about the slides here from the first to 10. As you can see, it started with the rise of artificial intelligence and potentials of AI, and now you can add any image to this like we have done from the edit part, and click on generate slide. So it will start generating the slides for you. Just wait and watch, and there you go. This is the first slide, second. It's so basic, right? Third, fourth. So this is available for free, so you can easily go ahead and use this anywhere you want. Okay, so now if you click on the edit slide, you can change any part of the slides. As you can see here, it doesn't added any graphics or any interface like that. Now if you want graphically rich based on your brand or something, then I suggest you to go with the Decktopus. Decktopus is amazing. So my organization actually used Decktopus to present any information to our clients, pitch our clients, and there's actually much more. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a free account just like now and see how simple the onboarding is and how simple their edit is and how simple their interface is you can use for the beginner. Okay, so if you click on the get started here and just sign up for the free account, let me sign up that, and let's use this account. Let's use any account. I think this will be great. Okay, so now you will land here. All you need to do is give a prompt to this. For example, if you want to pitch about your SEO services, so all you need to do is type pitch for SEO services, just like that. You don't need to add anything. Just click on this. Now it will give you the outline. So you will see the outline how you can actually pitch your prospect client for your SEO services. So just wait for the outline here. So there you go. So it will tell you the slide 1, 2, 3, and it will tell you each and everything about this. For example, in the introduction part, so it's tell you about the what services you want to give to your prospect client, and there is a why SEO is essential. So there are some statuses that give to that particular client, and there's a SEO services offered. You can actually go ahead and edit anything. For example, if you edit on this, and it will provide you with the simple and intuitive text editor, you can just go ahead and add anything here. And if you're done this, you just click on this right click button, and if you want the AI to generate, for example, making concise, expand. So if you click on the expand, it will expand these services as well. For example, there was a service of 2, and it will expand it services as well, and all the content inside it. For example, the keyword search and something like that. And same way you can expand why the statistics here. You can click on expand, so it will also add more value to it, as you can see here. And there is something which you can go ahead and, for example, if you want to add something here, the SEO process, the case studies, and something like the SEO process, the case studies. So if you want something to add, just click on add here. And for the page, if you want to convey about your organization, yes, about your organization, obviously. So about us, something like this, and then click on regenerate. Something went wrong. Okay, about us, who we are, something like that. You can start adding this here. For example, you don't need to add anything, just say something like 7 years of something like this. Just click on this, and now you can click on expand, and it will start expanding your particular slide here. So if you are done with this, if you specific part you want to say, for example, you want to rewrite this, you can simply ask that in the chat. So here, rewrite this slide 2. So let's see if it can also rewrite that. So slide 1 will be same. Now as you can see here, about our team, so who we are section is renamed as about our team, and rest will be the same. So this is something which we have already written. It is tab that out as well. So our commitment to excellence, everything is added with the AI. And now if you finalize your outline here, all you need to do is click on generate presentation, and now it will tell you about the branding, about the template. So they have the ready-made template. Just go ahead and see, preview that, how it can actually go. I love this particular Aqua. We use that all the time. We actually abuse this particular template because it's amazing and it appeals well to the while we are pitching to the clients, and this is up to you. So I love this particular Aqua. And now you can edit your brand here. But to edit the brand, you need to upgrade that. Why you need to edit the brand? Because if you have a set of colors, fonts, or logo you need to add, you can simply add that using this branding option. In the future, if you want to, pitch multiple clients, you don't need to add your colors manually. You can simply go ahead and choose your brand and it will automatically integrate that with you. Okay, so for free users, obviously I'm simulating as a free user, so you don't need to. Okay, so click on the acquire and click on generate presentation, and it will start generating the presentation as you can see here. Just wait for the outcome. Okay, so there you go. Now pitch SEO services, obviously you need to add that as your own, and their information is about the introduction to SEO services, and there is about us, who we are, expert team, success stories, and everything. You can easily go here and replace that with your own image. And there's SEO importance, so this is the chapter wise divide, and there is 93% of online experience start with the search engine. You can actually present that why you actually need this, and things goes on here. For the design part, as you have already told you, if you don't want to use your branding, you can easily select the design here, background here. I think the background is pretty nice as is a default. There's an element section. You can easily add the timeline blocks. For example, what is the timeline block? So these are the timeline blocks. There are actually endless blocks available here. You can easily edit that any way you want. Okay, so there is a diagram. So there's a list of diagrams available here. So there's the image blocks, list, and tables, and things goes on. There's a media section, so there's also have the stock videos and the icons. So there's a storage if you want to upload your own, create your AI images, which is created right here. There's a notes if you want to collaborate with your team, you can add that here in the notes. And then after you have finalized that, just click on share. Either you can share that in the PPT standard or compressed, however you want. Obviously you're going to present that, so PPT is standard. So there's a share link as well. If you want to share this link to your clients, you can easily add that here. For example, this will be your link. Just copy that. Then how it's going to look, just if you go to the link here, it will redirect to this. You can easily present that on any screen you want. And in the next, click on share. You can also embed that on your website. If you're sending an email, you can embed that as well. So let your client see what you're going to do with this. So this is the Decktopus, and the whole video about this with different use cases coming. For that, what you need to do, subscribe to this channel. Okay, moving forward to the last which we are going to cover is Canva AI. If you haven't seen the Canva AI video, go ahead and see that, because we have covered each and everything how you can leverage this Canva AI. So all you need to do is, and now you can add anything here, your own information. For example, just click on enter. So let brainstorming it. As you can see, it will start doing that. So number of slides 11. Let's see if it can actually create that. So for this Canva AI, you need a free account, I think, but to use again and again, you need to sign up for the paid account, which is actually very cheap as we compare to the others. So as you can see here, pitching SEO services this. So I like this one. So as you can see, the number of slides 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's about the 6 slides. You can add further however you want. So you can add it the colors you want. Simply go ahead. If you have already added the branding, you can easily add that here using this. So this way you can go ahead and click on the open on editor. It will open your editor and go ahead and edit however you want, as I am assuming you know the Canva. So this is a different way you can use to create a presentation. If you have learned something from this video, do like this video. If you have a feedback for a channel or my videos, do provide that in the comment box. So see you in the next video, a full course of presentation with AI. For that, you need to subscribe to the channel.